Okay guys, let's understand classification of monohalogens. Alright, I have categorized it into sp3, sp2 and sp hybridization states. What do we find in sp3 category? In sp3 category we have this, and we have this. Let's understand. Now see, this is primary, this is secondary and this is tertiary. Alright, why? To this carbon, 3 carbon groups are attached and halogen is also attached to the same carbon, so it becomes tertiary or 3 degree. In this case again, 2 carbon groups are attached to this carbon and to same carbon is attached halogen, so it's secondary halide. Now say, interesting, this deliberately I gave you this structure. If you see this carbon, there are 4 carbon groups attached. So as per that, it should be quaternary carbon compound, alright. But we are not supposed to see that. We are supposed to see only that carbon to which our desired functional group is attached. That is halogen. So halogen is attached to this carbon. So this is primary, not quaternary halide. Is that clear? Deliberately I give you this. So please keep in mind, for confusion, they may give you this type of structure, and seeing this, you may call it as quaternary halide. It is not so. Another interesting thing is it can never be quaternary. Alright, because 1, 2, 3 groups are attached, and if halogen is attached, then it could be maximum tertiary. Alright, okay. So I deliberately gave you this molecule just to make you understand that, seeing this, you may call it as quaternary, but it is not that. Why? Because you have got to see that carbon which has our desired functional group. Here it is halogen. So जहाँ पे halogen attached है वही कार्बन को देखना है अपने को. So ये कार्बन प्राइमरी है, इसके लिए we will call it as 1 degree और प्राइमरी halide बताएंगे उनको. So that's about this primary, secondary, tertiary. Now let's come to this. Now see, again here the functional group attached is to this carbon, and when functional group is attached to that carbon becomes alpha and this becomes beta. And when to beta a double bond is attached, then we call it as allylic halide. Alright, just to compare vinylic and allylic. Now see, in case of allylic, to beta carbon is attached double bond. In case of vinylic, to alpha carbon is attached double bond. And I told you, how do you categorize alpha? Alpha is when the functional group is attached to that carbon, that is alpha. Functional group is attached to this carbon, that is alpha. Now in case of sp3 hybridization, this carbon has got sp3 hybridization. Now the best way to check out sp3 hybridization, I told you, when 4 groups are attached to carbon, it is sp3 hybridization. ठीक है, ये कार्बन है, इसको 4 ग्रुप अगर अटैच्ड हुआ, so देखो, 2 of hydrogen, 1 of this and 1 of this, so it becomes sp3 hybridization. इसको नहीं देखना है, यहाँ पे नहीं देखना है. यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग देखेंगे तो just check out, see, ये C एक ग्रुप अटैच्ड है, ये एक ग्रुप अटैच्ड है और ये एक ग्रुप अटैच्ड है. So ये कार्बन में 3 groups are attached. So when we check out this carbon, now see, this has got H attached, 1 group, this has got this group attached, another group, and it has got this group attached, 3 groups. So this is sp2 hybridized, whereas this is sp3 hybridized, but we are checking out this. Alright, why this? Because our functional group is attached to that carbon. Alright, so we don't have to check out this. अगर इसको check करेंगे, this also would be sp2 hybridized, 2 of hydrogen and 1 of this group, so sp2 hybridized. Fine. Okay, अब यहाँ पे check करते हैं. यहाँ पे it is C benzylic halide. So this was allylic halide. Benzylic halide में CH2, so 4 groups attached, 2 of hydrogen, 1 of C, 2 of hydrogen, 1 of X and 1 of this aromatic. So 4 group attached, so this carbon is also sp3 hybridized. So sp3, 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 sp3. Fine. So ये हो गया sp3 hybridization. Now let's come to sp2 hybridized. In case of sp2 hybridized case, as I explained right now, check out this carbon. ये वाला अल्फा कार्बन है, क्यों? क्योंकि फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटैच्ड है ये कार्बन को. सो दिस इज अल्फा. नाउ व्हेन वी चेक आउट नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स अटैच्ड, 1 इज H, दूसरा X एंड ये वाला तीसरा. सो 3 ग्रुप्स अटैच्ड, सो इट इज sp2 hybridized. ऑलराइट, सो दीज आर विनाइलिक. आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू व्हाई इट इज विनाइलिक, बिकॉज व्हेन अल्फा double bond is attached to alpha carbon, we call it as vinylic. Okay, When double bond is attached to beta carbon, then it is allylic. All right, just to recap. All right. अब यहाँ पे भी देख लो, यहाँ पे भी vinylic होगा because this carbon के बाजू में ही this is alpha carbon because function group is attached to this carbon. तो इसके पास में ही double bond है, so this is also vinylic halide, दो aryl. All right. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग आते हैं. Now, so this is like you can say chlorobenzene. All right, chlorobenzene. Now यहाँ पे भी हम लोग क्या देखेंगे, इट इज sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड. क्यों sp2? चेक आउट दिस कार्बन को ये अटैच्ड है एक ग्रुप, फिर यहाँ पे अटैच्ड है एक ग्रुप और यहाँ पे अटैच्ड एक ग्रुप है. सो 3 ग्रुप्स आर अटैच्ड टू दैट. सो दिस कार्बन इज आल्सो sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड. यू चेक आउट दिस आल्सो इज द सेम थिंग. नाउ यहाँ पे मिथाइल टोल्यूइन हो गया, ये बेंजीन सब्स्टिट्यूएंट हो गया, राइट. बेंजीन को अटैच्ड है हैलोजन और यहाँ पे टोल्यूइन को अटैच्ड है हैलोजन और यहाँ पे बेंजीन को अटैच्ड हैलोजन है. बट this carbon we are talking about, this carbon which is there, that is sp2 hybridized because 3 groups attached है. sp2 3 ग्रुप क्यों? एक s का और 2 p का, तो 3 ग्रुप हुआ. sp3 में 4 ग्रुप क्यों? एक s का और 4, एक s का और 3 p का, टोटल 4 हो गया. 2 p का, एक s का, टोटल 3 हो गया. So that's why 3 groups. Alright, that's the way that's the easiest way to say whether it is sp2. वैसे तो देख के ही बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. सिंगल बॉन्ड है तो then it is sp3, if double bond it is sp2, and when there are triple bond it is sp hybridization. मतलब triple bond में we expect only 2 groups. So let's check out whether it is there or not. When we come to sp, we are coming to haloalkynes. Now when we come to haloalkynes, यहाँ पे देख लो, ये कार्बन पे this group is attached and this group is attached. So 2 groups are attached. sp 1 plus 1 2 groups. So it is sp hybridized state. All right. Now see, it is straightforward that when there is single bond it is sp3 hybridized, when it is double bond it is sp2 hybridized, and when it is triple bond it is sp hybridized. But suppose कभी भी confuse हो गया, so in that case just count the number of groups attached. ठीक है, याद रखना इसको 2 नहीं गिनना है, इसको एक ही ग्रुप गिनना है. ठीक है, when you come here इसको 2 ग्रुप नहीं गिनना है, इसको एक ही ग्रुप गिनना है, अदरवाइज विल बी कंफ्यूज. सो ये पूरा एक ग्रुप है, ये H एक ग्रुप है और ये एक ग्रुप है, 3 ग्रुप हुआ. सो ठीक है, सो इसके लिए यहाँ पे sp2 है. बट यहाँ पे जब हम लोग देखेंगे sp3 के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे 2 हाइड्रोजन का है, एक X का है और एक इसका है. 4 ग्रुप्स sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. ऑलराइट, सो आई होप इट्स ऑल क्लियर. ऑलराइट, ओके.